2006 Chevrolet Colorado. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: 4-wheel drive, tinted windows, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rearview mirror, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, cruise control, power side view mirrors. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.